In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gantt chart in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the Gantt view, understand what you're looking at, and quickly adjust timelines so your plan stays realistic and easy to follow. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type ClickUp, then open the official ClickUp website. Once you're in your workspace, choose the specific space where your project lives. A space is simply a container for related work, so pick the one that holds the tasks you want to visualize. At the top of your space, click the plus view button. This is where you can add different ways to look at the same work, like list, board, calendar, and in this case, Gantt. From the options, select Gantt to open a timeline-based view of your tasks. The Gantt view shows each task as a bar plotted against time. It's especially useful for projects with dependencies, fixed deadlines, overlapping work streams, or any situation where you need to spot schedule risk and track progress at a glance. Think of it like this. The left side lists your tasks, and the right side shows when those tasks happen. The position and length of each bar represent a task's start date, duration, and due date. This makes patterns obvious, where work overlaps, where a deadline is tight, or where a delay could create a bottleneck. In this view, you can easily add a start date and a due date to a task. Click a task in the list or on the timeline and set its start and due dates so the bar accurately reflects when the work begins and ends. Clear dates turn the timeline from a rough plan into a reliable schedule and help everyone understand what needs to happen and when. You can also adjust dates by simply dragging. Grab the taskbar to move it left or right to shift the schedule, or drag either end of the bar to extend or shorten the duration. This is perfect for quick what-if adjustments, like pushing a task out by a couple of days or pulling it forward to meet a deadline. As you make changes, the timeline updates instantly, giving you immediate visibility into how the overall plan is affected. That's all you need to get started. Open the Gantt view, set or refine your start and due dates, and drag to adjust as plans evolve. Use the timeline to spot overlaps, anticipate risks, and keep your project moving smoothly.